Well, we can confirm that we have in our safe custody one Dino Sutherland, also goes by the name Bertie. He is a top tier member of the 440 Balcom Drive, a gang that operates out of that era. He has been one who has been causing mayhem, being a nuisance in that community relative to the spate of murders and shootings and the gang activities affecting that space, especially throughout the month of January of this year. There was a joint operation led by specialized operations in the Kingston 10 here just yesterday around about 3 p.m. that led to his capture. He's currently in our safe custody, and our detectives are doing the necessaries to have him properly charged and be placed before the court.
Was he the only one held there? I heard that there are other men there.
He was held in the company of at least 6 other males and a female. They also are going through the rigors with our detectives. I know up to late last night those procedures were ongoing, and we're continuing those even until today. And so we continue that because, of course, we want to know their role. We want to know what role they play, not just in housing him, but in terms of the gang conflict in of itself. And I know, of course, that we're making some headways in that regard.